Our process training at APQC is really based on the research that we've done. That's our foundation. Through our benchmarking and best practice research, we've pulled together and synthesized these foundations of process management. And that starts with our 7 tenets of process management, which really give us a way to categorize and organize the information into what we think is really kind of intuitive ways of thinking. Now, the training itself, while it looks at all 7 tenets, is really more focused on reusable packages of information. And so we really have 5 packages that we've prepared. The first is really all about how you manage and support process management. In other words, what are you going to do to set up those capabilities to allow you to manage by process? The next package then really looks a little bit closer at how you are organizing and identifying your processes. Where are they? What are they? What are the right types of processes for you to actually capture and manage, as opposed to just having a random ad hoc set of processes? The third training module is then really focused on how do you actually go about defining and documenting those processes so that that critical process knowledge is in an organization and structure that can allow reuse, training, measurement, identification, improvement, and all of those things we want to do to get more from our processes in the first place. Followed with then a module that goes into actual monitoring control of our processes, looking then at how can you properly measure, analyze and report that information to get it to those key decision points where then you can do that actual oversight control and hopefully avoid problems before they occur and actually tune and tweak the performance of our processes. And then, as you can imagine, that same measurement information can then be used to then tie into the next module, which is improvement and integrate. And that's where you're now looking for those key opportunities to take that information you know that you've gathered around your identified processes, documented processes, measured and controlled processes, and put that into cohesive, prioritized improvement initiatives that allow you to do 2 things, both continuous improvement, which is really that slow incremental gain and improvement in performance and the capability to execute our processes, and then also those breakthrough improvements, those big fixes, strategic initiatives where we say, you know what, we need to either create a new process that didn't exist or significantly modify a process because it can't live up to the new technologies, market concerns, customer expectations. So this suite of process training knowledge that we've really put together into these modular training packages really does give us now this comprehensive end-to-end look at all those things that you would need to have as competencies to manage by process within your organization.